So your air conditioner's not blowing cold air and your technician tells you you need freon. There's two choices in the market, and I'd like to spend a few minutes and explain to you what those are about. For many years we've used R22 freon, and it's been the refrigerant that has been used in your home since the 50s. A few years ago, the EPA decided that we had to get rid of freon because of its ability to deplete the ozone. So they came up with a new refrigerant in the pink can here called Pureon, or R410A. And the main difference between these refrigerants is when the green one leaks out, it does put a hole in the ozone layer, and when the pink one leaks out, if it ever does, it will not be harmful to the environment. So if your air conditioner is over 10 years old, chances are it still runs on the old Freon R22. The two are not compatible and cannot be mixed. So if you leak out any of your Freon or refrigerant, it has to be replaced with the old, inefficient, expensive refrigerant. So if you have an air conditioner failure, let's say your compressor burns out or you have a leak in your cooling coil, look for a company that's recommending replacing that machine instead of repairing it and continuing to use this. You don't want to be caught up in the 2015 mandate that says we can no longer use this in your home. It'll be a very busy year 3 years from now in the air conditioning business, and it would be probably much more economical if you just did this on your own scale, on your own time, and chose to put in the new refrigerant, a unit that's more efficient, cools better, and is green, and do it before the demand peaks in the 2015-2016 market. If you like our videos, please leave a comment below. And for a new home care video every week, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like us and share this video with your friends. And as always, when you need a professional, check us out on our website or call us at Reliable Heating and Air.